everyone. Welcome today. This is my grandson's birthday. And I want you all to know he's the one got me started in my YouTube station. So I'm getting ready for him, for his two daughters to work with him for his birthday. So they're getting ready. His favorite meal is roast. So we have a double roast here. And the girls are going to, one is going to have one roast. She's going to be putting the ingredients on it.
And this is the money in our money, y'all.
Okay.
Wait.
But first, let me get my scripture. And then they'll get started with putting their ingredients on it. Then I'm going to put them into the Instant Pot. And that'll, so now they're going to be cooking. This is going to be a surprise for their dad's birthday. Thank you so much. He shall feed his flock like a shepherd. He should gather the lambs with his arm. Isaiah 40:11. I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. They've got my scriptures all mixed up, so I keep on reading the same ones over because they done took them out and I had to put them back together, but I keep picking up the same ones. So I guess that's the ones I have to do. Okay, so now each one of the girls, they have a strainer. They have a strainer. And I've already put the ingredients in it. So hold your strainer. Okay, so in the strainer, they're gonna be, I'll get to give them a little spoon to put a little bit in there so they won't do so much at one time. So I'm gonna hand them a spoon and into the strainer and then strain it across. Okay, now, all right, now they're gonna shake it all across. Put a little bit more each time. And we want to cover it all up. Now we don't put the strainer on top of the meat. Just hold it up like that. Okay. And then when it goes through, just take your spoon and put it through like that. Hold it up and then take your spoon. Put some more on there. They're gonna hurry up. Put some more on now. Kind of fill up your spoon. Then don't put it in the same place. Shake it on each. Go all the way over. Daddy. Here, come on now. Let me show you how to do it like this. Okay. When we put it in there, do it like that. All right, go all the way around. Now, here. Now, can you go all the way around? Mm-hmm. Now, let me help you some. So, okay. Now, we're going to put yours in. Here, now. Now, shake it. Pour it in. Take the spoon from Granny. Now, shake it all the way around. We don't put it in just one place.
Yeah, that's black pepper, garlic, onion powder, complete.
Okay, now.
And she have the sodium-free meat tenderizer.
Okay, now put it all up and down. Okay. Okay, now come on down where you don't have any on there. Let's get it all out, okay?
Okay, she's going to turn it over for them. Hold on, y'all.
I'm going to do it with my gloves on because I don't have gloves that will fit them, so I have to do it myself. Okay, so now we got enough down. I'm going to turn it over on the other side. Okay?
Oh my God.
All right, now put a little bit more right here, babe. Put a little bit more right here on the other end. Okay. Shake it on there. All right, there we go.
Now flip it around.
This is the end I wanted it on. Okay. That's all right. That's okay. Come on, I'm going to turn yours over.
Whoa.
All right. Now. Wait a minute. Okay, let's shake it all the way across there. There you go. Come on now. There we go. Come on. You get in the same spot. Sit down. Okay. Yeah. Come on now. Let's do a little bit more. Here. You got a little bit more in there to do. Now put it in your strainer.
All of it?
Okay. Hold it up.
You ready?
Hold it up. Hold it up. Okay. All right. All right. So now, let's just get all of it. So now, we're getting ready to put it in the Instant Pot. So it's going to go in the Instant Pot. I'm going to put it on 55 minutes in the Instant Pot. So I'm getting ready to put it in the Instant Pot right now. Wait, I have to put it in there because I got my gloves on. All right, so you can see that I've already, got the ingredients on both sides. Okay.
The biggest one.
One is just a little bit larger than the other, so okay. And I'm gonna have to put just a little bit more. Once I'm getting ready to put it in the oven. No, what is that? Oh, you had a little bit more left? Okay. I'm getting ready, I said in the oven, I'm putting it in the Instant Pot. That's what I'm putting it in. Okay. So I have just a little bit, okay, got a little bit there. I think I have some beef flavor and I'm gonna put in it. I don't have it on the table with me right now. The beefy onions, and I have a Coke right here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Give it here.
I'll take it.
Here. Coke.
Here.
Okay.
Here, money.
Me?
And if you pour the Coke, she's gonna pour the onion.
Yeah.
Just don't pour all of it, just pour half of it, okay? Look what you're doing. Okay, now pour a little bit on that side. Okay. All right, now the girls are pouring the beefy onion soup dip in there. And she's pouring the Coke. Let me see. See the Coke, y'all. This is small. Okay, now. All right, pour it. You can pour all of it in there because there's a lot in there. Okay, is that it? So now I'm going to get ready to put it into the Instant Pot, and I'll be back for then. Okay, so now you guys, I've dropped some bell peppers in there, and I'm dropping the onions around in different areas, a bit back and front, so it can go season through and through. Even though I did put the other stuff in here, so all right, I'm done with that, and I'm getting ready to put it in the pot now. Thank you.
All right, she'll be back once it's done.
With the roast now. Now the roast is already cooked in the Instant Pot. So now I'm going to put the little vegetable part of the roast on and let them cook in the electric skillet here. And I've already poured some avocado oil in it. And so right now I have some little bitty potatoes and onions, carrots, and all this good stuff to make out around the pot roast. Okay, so I will be adding the pot roast later. It is already completed, so it's already completed. And as soon as the vegetables get just about done, I will be putting a pot roast in there with the gravy ingredients in it, so they can start back to cooking. And I have cooking in avocado oil, and then I'll be pouring the broth in it that I cooked the roast in. I'll be pouring it in there to make its own gravy. Okay, so. It's starting to get hot right now, so I'm going to be pouring it in anyway. Just a slight bit more hard in it. No, just to get it started. Okay. The roast has enough gravy in it, so I have enough hard in it. This is my onion powder that I'm putting in now, so. Kind of. A little black pepper. I'm getting. Put it all in one place for area. Just a little bit all around in here. Okay. So I'm gonna let this kind of saute and brown a little bit, and then I'll be pouring the broth off of the roast in there. Okay. As soon as it's brown a little bit, we will be back. We will be back. Okay, I'm gonna, you guys, I'm gonna add just a little bit of flour to it so I can use it for my gravy later when I pour it in. So. Now this is the broth that I cooked the roast in. And I'm going to cut it down just a little bit because I have it up on high right now. I don't want it to cook that fast. I'm going to cut it down to medium low so I can let it cook for about this on high. Put it down to medium low. Okay. I'm going to let that cook just for a few minutes and put the top on it. So, okay, you guys, got that down low, and I'm going to add the roast to it now. There were 2 roasts, but they cooked, so when they got through cooking, it looks like it was only one. So. And they are very tender, very, very tender. Okay. All right, now I'm getting ready to put my top back on.
Okay, we'll be back, y'all. Once it's done, we'll be back, and the girls gonna taste it. All right, thank you.
Yeah, I got a spoon in that. All right, this is the digestation of the roast that the girls were cooking for their father, for their dad, for his birthday, as well as the June the 10th. Okay, his birthday is June the 10th, so they were cooking him the roast, and they got it all. It's all ready. So I'm going to be cutting them. If y'all hear the noise going off, you see the lights had gone off. They're back on now, so that's what the little bell is ringing for. So okay.
Ooh, that looks good. Y'all did a good job with your daddy's birthday present. Give yourself a clap.
This is a happy birthday. Your dad's not here, but we're gonna cut you a little piece of the meat off, okay? Because it is very tender. So Now get your little piece. I didn't want that much. Just a little bit, so you guys can have a little bit to taste. I put the roast for his birthday dinner. Okay. All right, now I'm going to put you a little bit of potatoes and carrots into your bowl. Okay.
I don't want none.
Now I want you to come around here where you can taste it.
Okay, y'all go over there on the other side of the granny so you can taste.
Okay, so
And
just a little bit.
Now
I
you
didn't give
stand
you
up.
much.
Let's even take the picture.
You got one piece of cornbread on? It's not cold. Okay. Go eat your potatoes.
This?
Yeah, that's good. These are small potatoes, and they're not used to the little bitty round ones. They're used to being cutting the potatoes, so they don't know what is this. So if y'all see them saying, "What is this?" They're not used to the little baby potatoes like that. So, but they are very good. So they didn't try to taste them first. That she didn't try to taste to see if it was good. But I love those potatoes. They don't realize those are the most expensive potatoes that you can buy.
okay, how's the roast, y'all? It's good. Y'all cooked it, so you season it good. Taste the meat. So y'all can tell me how the meat tastes.
I already take the meat.
It was good. Okay.
Okay, so I think they think.
How you like the meat, the money?
Good.
Let me see you taste a piece of meat.
What is she saying?
She finna taste the meat.
Huh?
She finna taste the meat.
Oh, she didn't taste the meat yet? Okay. It's hot now. Okay.
Good.
The little ones that she's eating the potatoes more than she's eating the meat right now. So it is very good. All it's well seasoned, and the gravy is delicious, you guys. I'm telling you. Because it was cooked with the Coca-Cola as well. So this is one of, I always like the pot roast, and I do cook them with Coca-Cola most of the time. And just a little bit of everything. I have a little bit of everything in here, so well, look like this time the little girl is eating better than the bigger girl. I think the bigger one's been tasting stuff all day, so she's not as hungry as the little one is. So we thank you for watching, and these are this is a birthday dinner that the young girls are also fixing for their dad's birthday. The businessman, and that is the businessman's. Wait a minute. I want them to taste it, but I didn't want them to have to drink the gravy. Is so good they're drinking the gravy out the bowl, you guys. So I hope y'all don't think they don't have to eat it. There's plenty here to have, but they'll act like it's just that's all a bite that they're gonna get, but they can get as much as they want. I was hoping they could wait till their dad get home. They could eat with their dad. So, but now they are tasting it. Got so good they can't stop. So thank you all of my subscribers, all of my members, and all of the new ones, and all the ones that's been there, my supporters for a long time. I still thank you because I'm still thanking you all for my anniversary money all the way through the end. Just gonna have but a few more days. I haven't got up everything I was intending to, but I thank you all and appreciate you all for coming in just to look at what I have up. Thank you so much. May God bless. Have a blessed day with all my love. This is from Miss Lena's Kitchen with Amani and Imani, and happy birthday to the businessman from his granny, because he was the start of my getting my YouTube started. So I appreciate you all. Thank you. Goodbye. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. With all my love.